work with the company NT-ware, which is a Canon Group company, and I'll be talking to you guys about the uniFLOW product. And we have here with us.
Thanks, Todd. Michael Ebeda, president of Therefore. We are the information management and workflow platform of Canon, and I'm very happy to be here.
My name is Brian Buchanan. I'm a solutions analyst for Canon Solutions America. My team actually does the implementations.
Excellent. Can you guys hear me okay? It's the first time to use the headset for myself. Just want to make sure. All right, excellent. So what I'm going to do is talk to you guys about uniFLOW here. So uniFLOW is a product that we've brought to the table, and it's quite unique. It has the functionality of all your office printing, your document scanning, your mobile printing, your device management, as well as all of your production printing in a single product platform. So this means you install one software package. You use one package to be able to control and manage the entire fleet. You're not installing multiple different software packages. When you need support, you call one vendor to be able to support, and that's CSA, to be able to provide complete solution support for your hardware as well as your software product. So this is one of the key unique components of uniFLOW, is how it is a single platform in the marketplace. And with uniFLOW, Canon Solutions America is able to help you reduce your costs, be able to enhance the document security, and be able to increase employee productivity, and look at being able to monitor your environmental performance and connect to your print room. And these are some of the key topics that we see from our customers today, is the desire to be able to control their costs, to be able to lock down the devices from a security aspect standpoint, to be able to make sure that they know who's printing, where they're printing, and what they're printing. And also a nice enhancement is the employee productivity. And I'll jump through a couple of these slides here and tell you guys about what CSA is able to do and how they're able to enhance the customer experience. So first of all, with uniFLOW, we have a modular architecture. And from there, we're able to provide some really cool features and functions to be able to meet what the customers are wanting. And when I say what the customers want or desire, it's not just the contact and procurement or the IT contact, but uniFLOW touches everybody within the organization. It touches your end users, it touches your finance department, it touches your print room, it touches your IT management. Each one of these groups has unique needs as far as what they need from a product, and uniFLOW is able to help them manage their day, make things easier for them, and secure their documents, secure the environment to be able to make it a more complete solution for what your customers are looking for. We start with doing simple things such as the accounting. We start tracking all the print jobs that are going through the copiers, the single function printers, large formats, any of the devices that are on the network. And you can't really control your costs until you're able to measure it. And uniFLOW provides you the statistical information at a user level to be able to provide that management. And then from there, we can charge back to groups. We'll be able to audit all of the data to be able to understand how to right-size the fleet and be able to bring in a true strategy to revolutionize the environment. We also track all of the environmental impact. So for your shareholders or people that are concerned about what's happening from an environmental aspect, this is some really cool data that shows how many trees you're saving, the savings on CO2 gases, things like that, that you can help promote your company to be able to ensure that the community has a good vision of what you're bringing to the table and how you're doing business. Document security to us is probably one of the key things you guys are seeing and hearing more about. This is a huge demand from the customers today. They're being asked not only to protect their copiers, protect their documents, but they want to be able to monitor that and make sure that only the people that have access to documents are able to print those documents. And this is especially important for HIPAA and the healthcare vertical, or you look at this for SEC environments where you're regulating the information for the Securities and Exchange Commission. So these are some of the key things that are in there. It also helps you by knowing you can just walk up to a device and you have that quick little badge swipe. And that badge swipe authenticates you. You're able to log into the device and see just your copy jobs or your print jobs in there. So this makes it nice and easy. It's one of those things you can introduce into the environment with very little impact on the end user, but it has a huge impact as far as the regulation and the accounting side on the back end. So this is a huge thing for us. Along with this, we are able to take documents in from any type of device. So you have your mobile devices, your mainframe devices, your desktop printers, or your desktop computers, your laptops, all those devices and be able to bring those documents in so that you're able to have those go into a follow me print queue. And this follow me print queue allows you to go up to any networked printer and be able to retrieve those documents on demand. We do that through our unique universal driver. Our universal driver is unique across all hardware platforms. It's one of the things that really helps separate uniFLOW from other products in the marketplace. And for the smartphones, we have mobile apps. We have the ability to do your email submissions. This is one of the things that's really important because as we see the trends that are changing in the office-based environment, we're seeing more and more of these types of devices, this BYOD technology starting to be able to come in to the environment. And you need to be able to control this either with an MDM solution or being able to understand the security aspect of how people are printing and what they're printing from these. And with uniFLOW, you're able to do that. We have the follow me printing, simple, quick login. You're able to see all of your documents. If the user forgets their badge, they have the second method of logging in. You can use PIN code, you can use your user AD credentials, different things like that to be able to identify. And one of the big enhancements we've done with uniFLOW is the ability to scan the documents from the device as well. And this is advanced scanning. So it has all the cool features, your despeckle, deskew, your encryptions, your different OCR capabilities, all of that. And from here, we're able to send that to many different document management systems, either online, in the cloud, in the customer's back office, whatever it may be. One of the ones that we're going to talk about mostly is Therefore. Mike will talk about that here in a few moments. But this is one of the things that's really neat about uniFLOW. You get this great preview, and you're going to be able to see all the different settings you can do as far as the document, make sure the document looks good before you're sending it off to its final repository. And as part of the Canon family, we integrate very tightly with the Canon hardware, the Canon scanners, the Canon large format devices, and also some of the other products in the Canon family such as Therefore. And Therefore is a great document management system that I'm going to turn this over to Michael and let him speak about.